Greetings! It's Maxo Diddley. Today I've got a little update with regards to queuing on the Pokemon Center. This applies for the UK, USA and Canada Pokemon Center. So I've done a few tutorials in the past on how to view your queue position, and the Pokemon Center have updated their website, and we can no longer view our queue position. So typically what you would have done is you would have gone to the Pokemon Center, you would have filled out a captcha, then you would be presented with a queuing screen, then you'd go into your developer tools, so you'd press F12, and then you'd go to the network tab, and then you would wait for a response to appear in this table, you'd click on it, and then you'd click on the response tab here, and you would see pending, time to wait, RLD, and your queue position. And this data is coming straight from the Pokemon Center servers. However, they are no longer sending the queue position, meaning there is no way to get your queue position. However, you still have the time to wait, and this can be used to help kind of figure out how far you are into the queue by comparing with others. Your time to wait will be lower than someone who joined the queue after you, so you can kind of gauge how far you're into it. But it's not a position, and it's a downgrade. This video is just to tell you there is probably no way to get your queue position because the Pokemon Center isn't sending your web browser the data anymore. On the plus side, we can now view the time to wait value in the web browser itself on the website, and you no longer need to use developer tools to view it. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. This is just a quick update on the Pokemon Center queue. They've upgraded it. A queue position would have been lovely to have on the screen, but I'll take seeing an estimated wait time without having to open up the developer tools over nothing. Thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.